I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet weather report. Heat, rain, rain, heat. From the discussion of weather, both have been on folks' minds this week. On the east side of the state, they have been dealing with extreme heat and flooding. Wednesday afternoon gives us a good idea why heat has been important this week. This has been a week to be caught off guard. A map of air temperatures from Wednesday at 1:40 p.m. doesn't look too bad. The highest air temperature was 95 at Medford. Over on the east border of the state, temperatures were in the upper 80s and low 90s. But those temperatures mask the real heat risk. Apparent temperature is one heat index. It is air temperature adjusted by the relative humidity. The apparent temperature on Wednesday at 1:40 was in the upper 90s and low 100s for eastern Oklahoma. Broken Bow had an air temperature of 91, but to a person outside it felt like 106 in Broken Bow. That's a 15-degree difference between air temperature and the heat index. The heat index indicates the real risk of human heat stress. Another human heat index tool is the new wet bulb globe temperature. This has been added to the Mesonet's air temperature section. At 1:40 p.m., Broken Bow had a wet bulb globe temperature of 93 degrees. Wet bulb globe temperatures of 90 or higher are considered extreme risk. When the wet bulb globe temperature is 90 or higher, the U.S. Army recommends 10 minutes of rest every hour under easy work situations. Rest time should be increased when carrying heavier loads and for older individuals. Wet bulb globe temperatures takes into account air temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, cloud cover, and sun angle to calculate the heat stress from working outdoors in the full sun. There are a lot of ways to cover the rain. One way is to check on the reservoir and lake levels. As of June 22nd, only 3 lakes had less than a full conservation pool. Foss Lake at 75%, Canton Lake at 70%, and Skiatook Lake at 94%. Oklahoma's full lakes are from all the rain over the last 60 days. The percent of normal for Oklahoma's climate division was record-setting. 6 of Oklahoma's 9 climate divisions had record-setting rainfall amounts through June 24th. They were the highest since 1921 with more than twice their normal rainfall. Folks in the South Central Climate Division experienced 3 times their normal rainfall. Intense rainfall from June 18th through the 24th really pushed up the totals. Newport recorded 10.5 inches over these 7 days. This rain caused road closures, tragic fatalities, and flooding along the Red River. On a map of the rainfall amounts over the last 60 days through Wednesday afternoon, the purple areas indicated where amounts were over 30 inches. The highest Mesonet site was Tishmingo at 36 7/10 inches. The lowest was Boise City with 7 6/10 inches of rain. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.